Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a landing page on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now you can do this in two different ways, depending on which version of WordPress you're using and which sort of view you're using on WordPress itself, so I'll show you guys both. Now, the first one is the simpler one, which I do recommend you use, and a landing page is basically a coming soon page where you'll just say this site is under maintenance, or this site is coming soon, this site is in development. Do whatever you want with it, but there is a built-in functionality on WordPress which you can use. If you're using the WordPress admin view, such as this, go into hosting, and then you need to go into site settings, and once you're here, you'll be able to get into privacy. And as you can see, you can click on coming soon, and this site will be hidden behind a coming soon notice, which is basically a landing page. So just select that, then click save settings, and that should be all you need to do for that. Alternatively, you can go into your pages and then add a new page. Just call it landing page, add whatever you want. So I'll just go over and do that quickly. So I'll just create a blank page, landing page, and this site is coming soon. Stay tuned. Let's say that is our landing page. Just click publish, publish it again. And once this publishes, it should be good to go. And then you can set it up as the main page and view it, and that should be it. Now, of course, this page should be the only page linked on your site. You don't want this to link to any other pages that are still work in progress. But that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.